Hello guys, welcome to How to Rocket once again. In this video, I will show you how you can manually change link in Geniuslink. So what you will have to do, first of all, you will have to open your Geniuslink account and here you can see if you are using this desktop mode, you can see this dashboard and simply click here on links. So here, as you can see, I have no links. That's why it is not showing. I have not a single link. That's why it is showing blank here. But by if you have generated links, you can find links new options. You will find different links here. So what you will have to do to change your destination, or if you have to manually change the link, then you can simply click on that link and you will have to simply click on edit a link. Then you can if you want to change the product page but keep the same smart link, click on login to your Genius Link account. Once you see your links here, just log into your Genius Link account, then go to links on left menu. Find your existing smart link, then click on the link's name, then click on edit, change the destination URL, and then click on save. It is that simple. Now the same Genius link URL will redirect to the new product. Useful when product price changes or product goes out of stock. You want to replace with better model, then you can use um, country routing method. What you will have to do, if you want different products for different countries, you will have to open your links, then you will have to click on advanced setting, and you can add custom destination for that product, like you can use India, US, UK, and paste separate affiliate links and save. You can also clone and replace. It is a safer option. If you don't want to disturb existing tracking, then you can click on duplicate, edit new link. You can click duplicate, and here you can on simple link. You can replace old link on your website. This keeps old data safe. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.